Hmm. Just I'm repeating yesterday's part. Hello, the board is visible.
Visible, sir.
This will be, we will use this in permutation combination, the next topic. Okay. Number of non-negative integral solutions of this x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 10. Okay. So number of solutions will be same as coefficient of x to the power 10 in this x to the power 0 plus x to the power 1, x to the power 9 up to x to the power 10. We have taken three series. First series is corresponding to first variable x1. Second series is corresponding to second variable x2. And third series is corresponding to third variable x3. Now, these are possible values of x1. x1 can take values 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay. So in first series, these exponents are possible values of x1. In second series, the exponents are possible values of x2. Okay. In third series, exponents are possible values of x3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, the reason why number of solutions of this mathematical model will be same as coefficient of x to the power 10 here. For example, you multiply this term, x to the power 1, x to the power 1 here, x to the power 0, x to the power 1, x to the power 9 in third series. If you multiply x to the power 0 into x to the power 1 into x to the power 9, you will get x to the power 10. Corresponding to this x to the power 10, the solution is x1 0, x2 1, x3 9. Okay, like that, corresponding to each x to the power 10 in the product of all these three series, corresponding to each x to the power 10 in the product of all these three series, there will be a solution of this mathematical model. Okay, so that's why whatever will be the coefficients of x to the power 10 in this product, that will be the number of solutions. So what is the meaning? Suppose in the product we are getting 100 into x to the power 10. After multiplying, we are getting 100 into x to the power 10. Other terms will be there. So it means x to the power 10 has appeared how many times? 100 times. Corresponding to each x to the power 10, there is a solution. As I told you, if you multiply this term, this term, this term, you will get x to the power 10. And corresponding to this x to the power 10, the solution is x1 0, x2 1, x3 9. Okay. So suppose in the product we are getting coefficient of x to the power 10 is 100. What does it mean? Other terms will also be there. We don't bother about that. What does it mean? The solution of this mathematical model will be, number of solutions will be 100. Okay. Number of solutions of this mathematical model will be 100. Just I'm telling you example, it's not 100. Next, just to make the calculation simple, what I did, I took infinite series here. 1 plus x to the power 10 plus x to the power 11 up to infinite. See, the coefficient of x to the power 10 in this product will be same as the coefficient of x to the power 10 in this product. The reason is, suppose you take x to the power 11. Is there any term here? If you multiply x to the power 11 with that term, we will get x to the power 10. We won't get. Okay, we won't get x to the power 10. So, if we take infinite series, the coefficient of x to the power 10 here and here remains same, remains unchanged. Okay, so to make the calculation simple, what I did, I took infinite series here, infinite series here, infinite series here. So whenever we can take infinite series, we will take infinite series. So first we have to confirm, we have to ensure that this coefficient will not be disturbed. Suppose we want x to the power 12 here. In that case, we can't take infinite series. Okay. So since coefficient of x to the power 10 here in this product and here will be same. Now this is infinite GP. What is the sum of this infinite GP? A by 1 minus R, 1 by 1 minus x into 1 by 1 minus x into 1 by 1 minus x. Now that sum is only when mod x is less than 1. Sum of infinite GP exists only if mod x is less than 1. And here we can take mod x less than 1 because we don't bother about the value of x. Okay, we need the coefficient of x to the power 10. Whatever is the value of x, we don't bother. So we can assume that this mod x is less than 1. Okay, then the sum of infinite GP is a by 1 minus r. So 1 by 1 minus x into 1 by 1 minus x into 1 by 1 minus x. That is 1 minus x to the power minus 3. Now, as yesterday I told you one result, coefficient of x to the power r in 1 minus x to the power minus n is how much? N plus r minus 1 CR. We'll prove it in the binomial only. N plus r minus 1 CR. So this is n is 3, r is 10. 3 plus 10 minus 1 C 10. So number of solutions of this is how much? 66. Okay. Any doubt anywhere?
Sir, there you wrote 100 into x power 10, no, sir. Here, example you take.
This is meaningless. Leave it. I just told you, if suppose in this product we are getting coefficient of x to the power 10 100, means 100 into x to the power 10. It means x to the power 10 will appear how many times? 100 times.
Yes, sir.
So corresponding to each x to the power 10, there will be a solution.
Yes, sir.
So that many solutions will be there. So this x to the power 10 will appear how many times? 66 times here.
Yes, sir. Understood.
और किसी को कुछ डाउट है? Any doubt anywhere? This thing will come again in permutations and combinations, series method. कुछ है डाउट किसी के पास? Make simple. Just I'm giving you simple example. just to verify this result. See, suppose we have x1 plus x2, we can count it. Say 10, under 10, 15. Suppose x1 and x2, what are the number of non-negative integral solutions of this? You can count it. Okay. x1, x2, x1 0, 10, 1, 9, 10, 0. How many solutions? 11. 11 solutions. Number of non-negative integral solutions of this equation is 11. You can count it. Now let us do by that way. Coefficient of x to the power 10 in x to the power 0 is 1, x to the power 10, and we can take infinite series, whole square. There will be two series. The coefficient of x to the power 10 in 1 minus x to the power minus 2. This equals 10 plus 2 minus 1, 11 C10. That is 11. Same we are getting. Okay, just to verify. Now next.
Sir, sir, 1 minute, sir. One doubt, sir. Sir, 0 and 10 and 10 and 0 are different solutions of x1, x2.
0 and 10 and 10. See, here x1 is one variable, x2 is other variable.
Yes, sir.
These are two different variables. Here x1 is 0, x2 is 10. Here x1 is 10, x2 is 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The name of the variables are different.
So similarly, 9, 1 and 1, 9 are different.
Yes, obviously 1, 9 and 9, 1. Because in first case x1 is 1, x2 is 9. In second case x1 is 9, x2 is 1. Obviously it is different solution.
Understood, sir.
Now find number of distinct terms in a plus b plus c plus d to the power 8. Okay. Number of distinct terms in this multinomial expansion. So can expand it. This will be factorial 8 by n1 factorial and 2 factorial and 3 factorial. 4 variables are there. A to the power n1, b to the power n2, c to the power n3, d to the power n4. Okay. Now, what is the condition? n1 plus, n2 plus, n3 plus, n4 equal to 8. 0 less than equal to ni, less than equal to 8. I am going from 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of solutions equals, number of solutions will be number of terms. Number of solutions, non-negative integral solution equals coefficient of x to the power 8 in x to the power 0 plus x to the power 1 up to x to the power 8. And if we take infinite series, this coefficient will not be, there will be 4 series. How many series will be there?
4.
4. 4 variables are there. And we can take infinite series here because coefficient of x to the power 8 will not be disturbed. Okay. Now, coefficient of x to the power 8 in 1 minus x to the power infinite GP minus 4, that equals 8 plus 4 minus 1, C8, 11 C8, 11 into 10 into 9 by 6 factorial 3, 3, 2, 165. Once you take the calculation, how many distinct terms will be there in that expansion? 165. Okay. बोलो कहीं डाउट है? Any doubt anywhere?
Sir, what is it? 0 less than xi. Ni, xi.
Ni.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
The range of all each ni will be 0 to 8.
8.
Obvious.
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
So this is over now. Come to double summation. Ci into Cj. Now, what is the meaning of this? Ci means NCI. CR means NCR here. Let us first see what is the meaning of this double summation. Suppose if you expand this summation, what we will get? First, fix up I 0. I is 0, C0, and keep varying J greater than I. Means C1, C0, C2, C0, C3, so on, C0, Cn. What I said, fix up I equal to 0 because I start from 0 and keep varying J from 1 to n. C0, C1 plus C0, C2 plus C0, C3 and so on. Next, fix up I equal to 1, C1. Keep varying J 2 to n. Okay. Like that, we'll keep going till I will be n minus 1, Cn. J will be Cn. So meaning of this double summation is this. Okay, this is the definition of double summation. Correct? Fixing I 0, varying J from 1 to n, then J will be 1, I will be 1, J will be 2, 3 up to n, like that. Then I will be 2, J will be 3 up to, एक और टर्म लिख देता हूँ, plus C2, C3, C2, Cn. Like that, keeps going. So this is the meaning of double summation. Okay. Understood? What is the meaning of double summation?
Yes, sir.
Saeedur Rahman. नहीं है? चेक करो एक बार. Saeedur Rahman is there or not?
Sir,
Okay.
C1 into C1 will not come.
No, because J greater than I. If it is equality there, then that term will come.
Okay, sir.
Suppose I less than equal to J less than equal to N, then C0, C0 plus C0, C1 like that.
Got it, sir.
Now, suppose you take इसको मैं रब करता हूँ, ठीक है, समझ में आएगा। See, if I write a0 plus a1 whole square equal to a0 square plus a1 square plus twice of a0 a1. Can I write it summation of ai square, I going from 0 to 1, only two terms are there, 2 times of double summation of ai aj, 0 less than equal to I less than j less than equal to 1. Here, if you expand this double summation, you will get only one term. How many terms we will get? How many terms we will get in this double summation?
One term.
One term. Suppose we have 3. a0 plus a1 plus a2 whole square equals a0 square plus a1 square plus a2 square equals, sorry, plus twice of a0 a1 twice of a0 a2 plus twice of a0 a1 a2. In summation form, I can write it ai square 0 to 2 plus 2 times of double summation of ai aj 0 less than equal to I less than j less than equal to 2. If you expand this summation, you will get these 3 terms. If you expand this double summation, fix up I0, A0, A1 plus A0, A2. Fix up I1, A1, A2. That's all 3 terms. So like that, if we generalize it, A0 plus A1 up to AN whole square equals summation of AI square, I going from 0 to n plus 2 times of double summation of ai aj 0 less than equal to I less than j less than equal to n. If you expand it and see this expansion, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
कहीं डाउट है किसी को? Now come to our original point C0 plus C1 plus 2Cn whole square equals summation of Ci square, I going from 0 to n plus 2 times of double summation of Ci Cj 0 less than equal to I less than j less than equal to n. ठीक है? Now we know this value. This is how much? ये वैल्यू क्या है? 2 to the power n whole square. ठीक है? NC0 plus what is this value? 2 to the power n. Take the expansion 1 plus x to the power n.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is this value? C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square up to Cn square. In the last class we discussed. Anyone? C0 square plus C1 square plus C2 square up to Cn square. What is that value?
2 Cn.
2 Cn. Correct. So this will be 2 to the power 2n minus 2 to the power n whole square minus 2n cn. This value is 2n cn divided by 2 equals double summation of ci cj 0 less than equal to I less than j less than equal to n. So value of this quantity is this much. Any doubt anywhere? Shall I repeat?
Yes.
Based on the same thing, calculate, find the value of ci minus cj. Zero less than equal to I less than j less than equal to n. Ci minus cj whole square. And obviously, ci means nci. First, you expand this. Okay. After that, think of find this value. Saidur Rahman, he has not joined. Ishaq,
Yes, sir.
क्या अपना ये चेंज कर दिया क्या? क्या बोलते हैं उसको प्रोफाइल पिक्चर?
Yes, sir.
Saidur Rahman. If some of you are joining after 10 minutes, 15 minutes after the class starts, there is no use of that. Better you don't attend, better you sleep. This is not history or Hindi. Whenever you want, you can join the class. Whenever you want, you can quit the class. Better you enjoy some other thing. दो मिनट ट्राई करो.
Sir, is it 2n into 2n Cn minus 2 part 2n?
गड़बड़ है. See, first you expand it. What will it? Fix up I0. C0 minus C1 whole square, first row. C0 minus C2 whole square up to C0 minus Cn whole square. Second row, C1 minus C2 whole square plus C1 minus Cn whole square. Like that. Third row, C2 minus C3 whole square plus C2 minus Cn whole square. So on. Plus Cn minus 1 Cn whole square. Okay. Now, C0 square will appear how many times? N plus 1 time. How many times? C0 square, if you expand it, C0 square will appear how many times? N plus 1. How many brackets are here? Here, C1. How many times it will appear? N times.
Yes, sir, n times.
1, 2, 3 up to N. C0 square will appear N times. And C1 square will appear N minus 1 time plus 1 time. Here. C1 square will also appear how many times? N times. C2 square N minus 2 times. 1 time here, 1 time here.
Yes.
N times.
Yes.
All will appear how many times?
N times.
N times. Okay. So this equals N times of C0 square plus C1 square up to Cn square. And obviously minus 2 C0 C1, C0 C2, C0 Cn minus 2 times of all this double summation Ci, Cj. Can I say it?
Sir, how, sir?
Yes.
That second part, sir, minus 2 double.
This one.
Yes, sir.
If you expand it, it will be minus 2 times of C0 C1 minus 2 times of C0 C2 so on minus 2 times of C1 C2 all this.
Yes, sir.
You just expand it and just compare with that.
Yes, sir. Understood.
All terms here will be covered here. Now we know this summation. This is n into 2n Cn. N into 2n Cn minus. This value is how much? To the power 2n minus 2n Cn. ठीक है ना ये? This is 2n Cn minus 2 times of Ci Cj is 2 to the power 2n minus 2n Cn. Okay. So कुछ और दिया हुआ है 1 मिनट.
By 2 no sir, by 2.
2 is already here.
Yes, sir. So we can cancel.
So this 2, sorry, this 2 will not be there. Yes, correct. So this will be n plus 1 2n Cn minus to the power 2n. Yes, is the answer. N plus 1 2n Cn minus to the power n. Okay. 2 is already there. That's why by 2 is not there. Correct. Is the answer.
Sir, I did not get that, sir. N times you said C1 will repeat. Here, sir.
X1.
No, sir, there, sir, there.
Here, no?
No, sir, you first explained here N times it. All the terms will repeat that. I did not.
How many brackets are here? N brackets.
Yes, sir.
If you expand this first bracket, C0 square will appear. Here also C0 square, here also C0 square. How many times it will come?
N.
N times. Come to C1 square. Here C1 square will appear how many times?
N minus 1 time.
N minus 1 times. And 1 time here.
Yes, sir.
So
Total
N
is
times.
N.
N. Again C2 square will appear how many times here? N minus 2 times. Is
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes,
One
sir.
time
Yes.
here, 1 time here. So in total, it is how many times it will appear? May I know?
N times.
10 times.
Got it, sir.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Question based on this. Find coefficient of x power n minus 2 in this expansion.
Sorry, you are muted.
You are mute, sir.
Now, in first two factors, you multiply with constant -1 into -2. In other factor, how many factors are there? In -2. Remaining other factor, you multiply with x. So we'll get x to the power n -2. Okay. So coefficient of x to the power n -2 equals -1 into -2. I'm writing 1 into 2 plus take this factor 1 into 3 -1 into, basically it is -1 into -2, 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into n. With this you multiply this constant, this constant, this constant, next constant, and other factor you multiply with x. Remaining n minus 2 factors will multiply with x. Got it or not? Now,
Sir,
after
can you
that,
explain this once again, sir?
see here in these two factors, if you multiply -1 into -2, how much it is? 1 into 2?
Yes, sir.
And then remaining factors you multiply x minus 3, you multiply with x. X minus 4 multiply with x. X, remaining n minus 2 factors. So what will be exponent of x? N minus 2.
Yes, sir.
या और भी लिखूं पूरा? See, in the product, it will be a nth degree polynomial. It will be a nth degree polynomial. If you multiply all the factors x, we will get x to the power n. The coefficient of x to the power n minus 1 is, coefficient of x to the power n is 1. मैं लिखता हूँ. What will be coefficient of x to the power n minus 1? See, in all the factors,
n into n plus 1 by 2.
बहुत जल्दीबाजी कर रहा है. All the factors you multiply with x, and with this factor -1. So it will be -1, -2, -3, so on, -n. क्या होगा ये? माइनस टाइम्स ऑफ
n into n plus 1 by 2.
n into n plus 1 by 2. ठीक है? So how to get coefficient of x to the power n minus 1? In one factor you multiply with constant, remaining factors multiply with x, like that. Okay? -1 into x to the power n minus 1 plus -2 into x to the power n minus 1, so on. Now what will be coefficient of x to the power n minus 1, n minus 2? In these two factors, multiply with constants. Other factor, multiply with x into x, so on. So in all the remaining factor, you multiply with x, that is x to the power n minus 2. Here it will be -1 into -2. So 1 into 2 plus. Now, first factor and third factor, you multiply with constants, -1 into -3, and other factor you multiply with x. Getting it or not? 1 into 3. Basically, it is -1 into -2, -1 into -3. Next, first factor and fourth factor, multiply with constants, -1 into -4. And remaining n minus 2 factor, x into x into x, x to the power n minus 2. So it will be 1 into 4 plus. With this, in always we will multiply the constant with other factors. This into this plus this into this plus this into this and so on. Okay. Next, fix up this factor. Multiply minus 2 and minus 1 is over. Minus 2 into minus 3. 2 into 3. Plus minus 2 into minus 4. In other factor, you multiply with x to the power n x. 2 into 4 plus 2 into n. Okay. With this, this is over. Minus 3 into minus 4 and other factor you multiply with x. So minus 3 into minus 4, 3 into 4 plus 3 into n. So like that, it will be n minus 1 into n. ये होगा कि नहीं? जुनेद समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
कौन है? जैसिम. जैसिम. मोहम्मद जैसिम.
यस सर.
कहाँ घूम रहा था? कहीं घूम रहे थे क्या?
Sir, no sir. Sorry sir. Mic is little sound low sir. That's it.
ये, are you getting it or not?
Yes sir, understanding sir.
Understand. Now we can find this sum, this double summation. This is what?
Yes.
This is basically double summation I into j. Here this is nothing but next class है. लिखता हूँ. This is the coefficient of x to the power n minus 2 equals double summation of I into j. 1. Here it is 1 less than equal to I less than j less than equal to n. यही होगा ना? If you expand that summation, you will get it.
Yes,
If you
sir.
expand that summation, you will get this. Now, how to find this? This implies 1 plus 2 plus up to n whole square equals summation of I square, I going from 1 to n, plus 2 times of double summation of this I into j. 1 less than equal to I less than j less than equal to n. Last line is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
देख लो एक बार. If you expand it, this will be 1 square plus 2 square up to n square plus 2 times of double summation of this. And we know this value. We know this value, sum of squares of n natural number. Sum of squares of
Yes.
And
n natural number. ठीक है? I am disconnecting. Shall I disconnect?
1 minute only.
Yes.
One second.